What's up, LNT fam? Welcome back to another video. Rebuilding 2018 Mercedes GLE 350. We bought this vehicle from a salvage auction with the left side collision. If you guys haven't seen part 1 through 4, I'll put a link in the description so you guys could check it out and be up to date. In this video, we're finally gonna start doing GLE 63 conversion. Woohoo! I know you guys been waiting to see what the car is gonna look like. So we got a new front bumper, side skirts, rear bumper, and 22-inch wheels. So super excited to install all the goodies. So let's pull the car inside and start working on it. And also, if you're new to this channel and you enjoy this kind of content, go ahead and subscribe and turn on your bell notification because we post new videos every week, new videos. So go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. Enough of this talk and let's get to work. Looks like we got FedEx. Now what that means, my bumpers has arrived. Woohoo! That's it. Looks like my bumpers came in for the Mercedes GLE 63 conversion. So let's open the box and see exactly what we got. Man, check out this bumper. Oh man, I'm super excited. Gonna change the whole look of the car, man. So aggressive. Look how beautiful this is. Wow. Amazing. And I'm gonna paint this black as well. So no chrome, and it's gonna look so sick. Wow. And here's the back end, different exhaust tips and different diffuser. Slowly getting somewhere, man. This is gonna be one mean looking GLE. That's all I gotta say. So we'll get that painted ASAP and we'll start putting everything back together. And just test fitting the new bumper, the GLE 63 bumper, and oh my gosh, it looks so good. Look at this thing. Wow, it looks so aggressive. Man, I love it. I had to do a little bit of body work. It had sensors. I don't have any sensors, so I just got rid of them. And same on this side, had this side sensor. So then it's good, everything lines up, awesome. So we could start painting the bumper. Wow, looks really aggressive. Can't wait till it's completely finished so we could see the final picture, the final product. So let's remove the bumper, start prepping, and start painting. Just got some new wheels for the Mercedes. Woo! Let's open up and check them out. Man, check out the wheels. They look so clean. Can't wait to install them. 22-inch wheels, square setup. Gonna pull the car in, do a quick test fit, make sure everything fits good. And if it does, we'll take the car to the tire shop and have them switch out the wheels. Let's go. I got the Mercedes in the shop, so we'll do a test fit, the front tire and the back, just to see how flush it is with the fender and make sure all the bolts fit. So no surprises once I install the tires, because we can't go back. Let's do that real quick and we'll go from there. Look at that, I just installed the rim and looking good. That's gonna look really nice and super aggressive. Check it out from far away. That looks really nice. I love it. Man, the back one looks really nice as well. Man, I'm super excited. Let's go take them to the tire shop, install them and see how they look on the car. Yeah, check it out. Look at that fitment. Boom. Even sticks out a little bit, just like perfect. Here are my brand new tires, Goodyear tires. I got on sale. I got a smoking deal for them. Look at this bad boys. I paid 500 bucks for all 4 tires, so that's a smoking deal. So there you guys go. Perfect setup, and let's go install them. And the bumpers got painted, looking good. Wow, let's check it out. Boom, look at this beauty. Perfect. That's for the front bumper. here's the front bumper. Man, this guy looks so nice.
I cleaned everything up. I put an adhesive promoter on all the parts, and now we're going to put a black sealer on it to seal it all in before we put our base coats. Parts are all sealed, they're nice and black, so it's going to be a good base coat for our black color that we're doing with all the trim. Not only that, it's going to protect you against rock chips and chrome peeling off and stuff like that. So we're going to let this dry off for about 15 minutes before we put our base coat, and then we'll be ready to go.
Here's all the pieces, everything is painted and ready to go. My friends, I put the bumper together. Oh man, it looks so good. You guys want to look at it? Of course you guys want to look at it. Get out, look how nice that looks. Wow, beautiful. My friends, we got the front bumper. We're gonna start putting all the grills and all kinds of plastic, all the fun stuff. Then we'll start installing it. Here's the front bumper. This is just the cover, and it has a lot of pieces that go on the bumper. So this should be fun. So let's start installing all the pieces, and then finally we could install the front bumper. Ooh, it's gonna look so nice. That's it, my friends. Just put the bumper together. We're ready to install it. Man, it was a lot of pieces, I'm not gonna lie. Probably took me like 2 hours to put the bumper together. Here it is. Boom, check it out. Looking good. That's one mean looking bumper. So we'll start removing the old bumper and we'll install that. So stay tuned. That should look really, really aggressive. This is like weak sauce. Very boring. That is it, my friends. Just removed the bumpers, so we're ready to install the new one. The old bumper had to transfer a couple wires, and here's the new bumper. Look how much plastic they put. Crazy. So yeah, I had to run those wires right here. So yeah, let's start installing it. Let's go. Man, just installed the bumper, and let me tell you, boy, it looks crazy. I love it. It looks so aggressive and mean. Oh my goodness. Look at this beauty. What do you guys think? Looks good, huh? So we're all done with front end, we're done with the back end. So next I'm gonna install the side skirts. Here's the original ones, boring. And here's the new ones, the AMG ones, so it's gonna look a lot better, more aggressive. Wow, I'm completely speechless, man. This thing looks so beautiful with the side skirts. Wow, I love it. I'm in love with this car. Check it out. What a big difference. As soon as you put the rocker moldings, it changes the whole entire look. Look at this side. And look at this side. What is this? What is this? Bolt rockers, man, I can't get enough of this car. I'm like in love with it. It looks, oh, I'm speechless. It looks so good. So next what I'm gonna do, the most important part of this build, I gotta do this to debadge the car. Sorry, GLE 350, you gotta go. So this way It's nice and clean, no badges, and I'm gonna put black one right here, the Mercedes emblem. It's gonna be black, debadged, clean car. We're gonna do that right now, and then we'll start detailing the car. I'm gonna detail the car myself. At the end of the day, nobody could detail the car better than I do. I tried a lot of people, but still they do a good job, don't get me wrong, but I feel like I do the best. So it is what it is. So let's remove the emblem and then we'll jump on the detail and start cleaning the car inside out, and pretty much we're gonna surprise the new owner. And usually how I remove the emblems, because the emblems usually on double tape. What I do, I usually heat this up with a heat gun, get the double tape nice and warm. So this way it's a lot easier to remove them. That's it, my friends. Just remove the badge, so the car is debadged and looking good and clean. But yeah, that's the process you gotta go through to remove the badge. Perfect. What happened? Nothing happened. No badge. Next, we're gonna start vacuum the car, detailing inside, wiping everything down so it looks like brand new. Yeah, check it out already. Gonna start in the back end and then work my way to the front. See, like all this. I also got brand new floor mats, so we're gonna have a brand new floor mats for the car, straight from Mercedes. And then this piece actually goes right here, but I don't know, I kind of like it clean. It's supposed to go right here, something like that, but I don't know. I feel like this without it, it looks a lot cleaner. So what do you guys think? Comment below if I should put this on or just leave it clean and simple. So I just finished with the interior, looking good, like brand new car. Man, I still can't get over it how aggressive and nice this thing came out. Man, I'm in love. I told you guys many times, but I'm still in love. So yeah, we're done with the interior. Let's go take a look and we'll start doing the exterior. Look at this beauty. Wow, man. I just can't get enough of it. So yeah, inside is completely clean. Looking good. Same with the back. And I got brand new floor mats. Woo! Red seat belts. Woo! Hot stuff. So right now I'm gonna start cleaning the exterior, clean everything, and then I'll pull the car inside of the shop and I'll do polish. I'll polish the whole car so it's gonna look like brand new again. just washed the car. So I did clay bar and just washed everything real good. So right now I'm gonna start polishing the car. I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3 steps real quick. Just kind of get that shine back. Not gonna go too crazy, but yeah, something like this. So let's do it. This thing's gonna look like brand new in a couple of hours. Man, I just finished with the Mercedes and it looks amazing. Wow, that's all I have to say, just wow. So I did 3 steps polish, detailed the car inside and out, and man, it looks like brand new car. And let's take a look. Look at this beast. Wow, completely 2 different cars. This thing is insane. Everything is spotless, clean. Look at this beauty. Wow, let's check out the trunk. Look at the back end, everything is detailed. I even made the lines. Wow, look at this. Inside, spotless. Look at this beauty. Red seat belts are just popping. Check out the front end. I love the red seat belts. And I also got brand new floor mats, all 4 of them. So this thing is ready to go. Got my flares to complete the GLE 63 conversion. Man, it looks so nice. Here's the flares for all 4 sides. And here's how they gonna look. Man, look how beautiful that looks. Wow, amazing. And they fit perfectly because I got the wheels and they stick out a little bit, as you guys could see. So with those flares, they look perfect. Wow, that's gonna look so aggressive. Beauty, such a beauty. I'm gonna start prepping them and we'll paint them, install them, and we're officially done with this build. That is it, my friends. We're officially finished with Mercedes, and wow, it looks amazing. I just installed the side flares and it changed the look of it completely. Let's take a look. Look at this beauty. Wow. Look how beautiful it came out. Let's pull the car out. I'll do some cinematic shots for you guys, so enjoy it. Look at this beautiful view, you guys. Beautiful sunset. So we'll end the video here. Stay tuned for part 6. In part 6, we're gonna deliver the car and get the owner's reaction. So super excited about the next video. And I want to say big thank you to you guys for watching this video. If you guys are new to this channel and you enjoy this kind of content, go ahead and subscribe and turn on your bell notification, because we post new videos every week, new video. So go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to like this video, and I'll catch you guys in part 6. До свидания!